Today I'd like to take you on a little tour of Retail Ready Career Center. We're going to look at our labs and our classrooms and see what we teach on a day-to-day basis. Let's step into our lab and take a look. As you walk into the lab, you'll notice that we have our condensers on one side of the lab and the furnace is located on the other. Now we teach everything from superheat and subcooling to how to check parts and components, capacitors and contactors, ohm and out compressors, and things of that nature. On the heating side, we're going to look at our furnaces, circuit boards and transformers, hot surface igniters and flame sensors, and things related to all of the things you would check in a preventative maintenance situation for the furnace and the AC. You'll also notice in our labs that we have different types of ductwork set up. Some of it's installed correctly and incorrectly, so we can show the differences to our students. We have students that come from all over the country, and different types of duct systems are going to be there. We're going to learn how to check static pressure and what that means to a situation in case a student runs up in a new construction type or startup situation. We have some braising stations where students learn how to braise. Our students will also learn how to match and size coils and condensers and furnaces to make sure that we can put together a complete system for the homeowner. We'll talk about different types of thermostats and how they affect the system, as well as heat pumps. Each lab has a premier system, if you will. So we like to show a high efficiency, high SEER unit in each lab. In this lab, that way our students can work on communicating thermostats, variable speed blowers, and they even introduce some indoor air quality products as well. We have a total of 8 labs inside of the school and 36 rooftop units, giving us a whole of 100+ units that we can use on a day-to-day basis. As you walk on through, we'll come to our cafeteria or lunch area. Breakfast and lunch are served here, and the students and the staff both eat in this area together. Now, upon graduation of the 6-week course, each student is required to have their universal EPA certification. To date, 100% of our students that graduate with their universal EPA certification. The other test you can take is your NATE. So we offer NATE Core, NATE Gas Heat, and NATE Heat Pump. And as of right now, about 65 to 68% of our students graduate with one of those specialties. Let's take a look into the classroom and see what kind of goes on in there. As you walk into the classroom, you'll notice that we have our Path to 67, where we focus on the communication skills being the key to a student having a better financial future. We want our students to look at this as more than just a job, but a career. One that focuses on how to relate to a customer, how to talk about indoor air quality products and preventative maintenance agreements, and what that means to the company, to the customer, and to the student. The elements of success that we have are what we call the adrenaline call process, or again, those soft skills, those communication skills. AC furnace clean and check, which all relate to preventative maintenance, and then your basic diagnostics. Now, I always tell people that our basic diagnostics is anything that would hinder our student from completing a clean and check. They should be able to diagnose that problem, make recommendations to the homeowner, and then carry out and remedy those issues. When we take those 3 facets, the lab work, the elements of success, and understanding that your financial future is in your hands, that's how Retail Ready affects positive change in the lives of the students that we serve.